Wow. That's where the nest used to be.
Aww.
And now we just saw the mama bird. It flew right back here
I can't believe how big that nest got
towards
in
the
such a short
grill
time.
and had a worm. Look, there it is. There it is. Didn't zoom in enough. There it is. Right there. We had to move it right there. Half of the nest fell down. Dad said that the baby birds fell out of the nest when we put it there. I can't believe there was actually baby birds. Not just like eggs, actually birds that have hatched. And they were in this place right here. But then they took it out to the woods. And the mama bird came back, had a worm, and it was gone. I know that the baby birds hatched because my mother showed me a picture. Bye. Thank you all for watching this video, part 2 of baby birds with a nest in the grill. Literally. And subscribe to good YouTubers. Out. Shimmy cocoa baby, shimmy shimmy ride, shimmy shimmy cocoa baby, shimmy shimmy ride. Ha ha. Jelly biscuit, G Emma. Out. Yeah. Woof.